Hey everyone, it's Bree here from the Sewing House, and I am here to tell you a little bit about our 5th annual Valentine Quilt-A-Long for 2026. We're really excited about this one. This is the quilt. It's adorable. It is the Seasonal Patchwork from Fig Tree Quilts, but you might notice there is no heart quilt on this pattern because we are using the supplemental instructions for the heart. If you get the kit from us, as soon as you get your kit in your email inbox, you should have all of the supplemental instructions as well as the supplemental cutting instructions to make your life a little bit easier as you play along with us. If you are Valentine's Dad or it's just not your thing, you can still play along with us and just do whichever one of these you want, and that's totally fine. We would still love to have you join us for this. It's always a lot of fun to see what everyone's doing. I know some of you have been with us every year that we've done this, and we love you. And some of you are maybe new to this, so spread the word. Make sure all of your friends know because it's going to be really, really fun this year. It's a little bit smaller than the last few that we have done. Goes together a little quicker, so you don't have to feel guilty about jumping into another project. This one is definitely really doable. A couple things that might make your life a little bit easier as you're joining us. We've got these alpha clippies in. They are these good size clips, so they will hold a lot of pieces of fabric. Good size clips, and they have all of the letters on them, all 26 letters, and there's also numbers from 0 through 9. So those can really help keep all of the pieces separated because there's a bunch of different sizes in here. It's not a complicated quilt as long as you know what size you're working with. So these are really helpful. If clippies are not your thing, we do also have these. These are the magic pins. They come in this really cool little organizy case. So we've got pins with letters on them. Other side has all of the numbers on them. It goes all the way up through 12. There's even pins with arrows on them, so you can label as you're putting rows together. Ooh, this row goes that direction. They're really, really handy. Just some things that might make your life a little bit easier. And if you do decide to play along with us this year for our Valentine Quilt-A-Long, anyone who gets their quilt top into us for long arm quilting before Valentine's Day will get free batting. So, pretty fun. And I mean, how do you say no to free batting? So, join us for the Quilt-A-Long. We are going to be posting the first video on January 1st, and then one video every week to kind of help pace you through the project and answer any questions, maybe make a few things a little easier for you. And if you don't have time to do it in January, that's okay. You can still sign up. The videos will still be up, and they'll be there for you whenever you get around to it. We'd still love to have you join us. So give us a call, hop on the website, and we'll get you signed up today.